he hit me again. And he's under that cable there, under the feeder box. And almost put my whole pole in the water. So I got him hooked. I got a nice big hook on my line. So I'm gonna wait him out this time. He's on it. I'm not hitting no drag. I got it tight. I'm waiting on them to get tired. It could be a carp or a nice sized bass, but I believe it's a carp. There you go. There you go. There you go. He is strong though, and a big one. See, there you go. You're trying to take it. I love this. I love it. I'm not letting them go. That's 40-pound test line. The real thin one. It's not thick. It's very thin.